You've probably heard of castor oil, but do you know why it's called a miracle elixir? From boosting your hair's shine to supporting your overall health, castor oil is packed with benefits that most people don't even know exist. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 amazing health benefits of castor oil, and trust me, the last one is a game changer you won't want to miss. Grab a seat, because this could be the wellness tips you've been searching for. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever heard of castor oil and wondered what makes it unique? Today, we'll dive into 5 amazing health benefits of castor oil that you may not know about. Whether you're looking for natural beauty hacks or remedies for common health issues, castor oil is a powerful solution that has been used for centuries. To discover how this simple oil can work wonders for your body inside and out, let's get right to the video. 1. Boosts hair growth and nourishes scalp. One of the most popular uses of castor oil is for hair care. It promotes hair growth and strengthens your hair from the roots. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing hair follicles and promoting growth. Regular application of castor oil can result in thicker, shinier, and healthier hair. It can also help reduce dandruff and itchy scalp by moisturizing dry skin. Massage a small amount of castor oil into your scalp once a week and leave it overnight for best results. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Remember to like and subscribe for more content. To my returning subscribers, thanks for your support. 2. Moisturizes and heals dry skin. Castor oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer that can heal dry, cracked skin. Castor oil's high concentration of fatty acids helps to deeply hydrate the skin, locking in moisture and providing long-lasting nourishment. Whether you have dry patches, cracked heels, or rough elbows, applying castor oil regularly can help soften and heal the skin, leaving it smooth and healthy. For softer skin, apply castor oil directly to dry areas before bed and rinse it off in the morning. 3. Reduces inflammation and soothes pain. Did you know that castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties? It's great for reducing inflammation and easing pain in sore muscles and joints. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil has anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce swelling and discomfort. If you have arthritis, sore muscles, or general aches, applying castor oil can soothe inflammation and provide relief. Gently massage castor oil into the affected area and cover it with a warm cloth for better absorption. 4. Aids in digestion and relieves constipation. Castor oil is known as a natural laxative and can be used to relieve constipation safely. Castor oil stimulates the intestines and increases the movement of the muscles that push waste through the digestive system. A small castor oil can relieve constipation and help regulate bowel movements. However, use it in moderation and consult a doctor before use. Take no more than a teaspoon of castor oil for constipation relief, and always follow the recommended dosage. If you're still watching and enjoying the video and have not subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button to support the channel. Let's get back to today's video. 5. Promotes wound healing. Castor oil is also used for its antibacterial and healing properties, making it a great natural remedy for minor wounds and infections. The fatty acids in castor oil help stimulate tissue growth, which creates a barrier between the wound and the environment, reducing the risk of infection. Applying castor oil to minor cuts, burns, or skin irritations can speed healing and keep infections at bay. To speed up healing, clean the wound, apply a small amount of castor oil, and cover it with a clean bandage. And that's it. 5 incredible health benefits of castor oil. Whether you want to grow healthier hair, moisturize your skin, reduce pain, or aid digestion, castor oil is a powerful natural remedy that can offer many health benefits. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Have you tried castor oil before? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.